Well, it's a nice day today here at the Quick Speed Shop. We're going to get in the S10 here. We're going to go to the steel yard and get some new steel for the Thomas rocket car. Let's go. All right, got my shopping list. Got a bottle of Mountain Dew here. Let's see if this thing will fire up and we'll go to the steel yard. Here we go. Oh yeah. Nope. Nothing but the best here. Got it. Alright, here we go. Full disclosure, I warmed the truck up before I got in it, so it's about 28 degrees out, so I'm not just going to hammer down the road in a cold truck, but I already warmed it up, so let's go. Hang on tight to your saddle horn, son. So what we're doing, I'm way out in the country. We got to go down into the city to the steel yard, surplus steel shop. I'm going to pick up my buddy Jack. He's going to go with me. It's the same Jack you see in the other videos. I call him Jack Man. But we're going to go over to Jack's house, pick Jack up, and then we're going to drive up about half-hour ride into town to the steel outlet. I'm going to get some 18-gauge sheet metal. I got my list here for what I need for the floor. I need some angle iron. I need some more 1-inch square tubing. Probably going to get some other little trinkets because they got all kinds of cutoffs in there. So we'll bop on over there and see what they got. Then we'll come back and we'll work on the rocket car. Oh, here's Jack. Say hi, Jack.
Hi, Jack.
All right.
Hi, Josh.
Let's go.
Everybody's here.
We're in the truck. Let's go. Here we go. We're going to fast forward to the steel mill. We'll be right there. All right, we're almost there. We're going to pull on in to the steel surplus here through this old industrial gate. It's like going into prison almost. I don't see any armed guards, so I guess we're all right. Think we got to stop, or can we just roll through? I think we're all right. Express Metal Outlets, Rochester, Syracuse, and Buffalo. We're in the Rochester location.
What is that, first aid bag?
My camera bag.
Oh, that's your camera bag.
Alright, we're all loaded up.
Well,
We're going to run to Tim Hortons now. Jack's hungry. We'll stop at Tim Hortons. Alright, here we are, Jack. We're back at your house. Get out.
okay, I got stuff to get here.
Hold on.
This. And do I get one of these little tablets?
Metal Express Outlets is where we got the steel. We got a good deal on everything. We found everything we needed the first time.
Oh, you keep this.
So, that worked out good. So I got my steel from Express Metal Outlets. It's a Klein Steel company, and they're helping out with the metal in this rocket car. What it is it's Klein Steel has a manufacturing facility where they do big, industrial steel and all that. And this is their outlet center where they do drops and cuts and have surplus and prime stock. But it's like one shop supermarket for metal. You go in there and they got tons of racking. You pick out what you want. I picked out all this steel here. It was all surplus price, like this 1-inch square stock. Can come in short pieces up to 10 feet long as surplus. And like this inch and a quarter tubing I just grabbed just to have. What I also like is they have drops from their laser cutting piece. So I got this piece out of a bin. And it's like 1/2-inch thick plate, laser cut out with circles. I'm going to weld it onto a plate, and this will make a good lifting block or a chain if you had multiple chains here. I don't know what I'll use it for yet, but that's what I saw it. And, it'll take you forever to drill those holes through a 1/2-inch plate with a hole saw. So that worked out good. I also found this plate here, which was some kind of industrial plate, but it's got this 45-degree edge cut on it, machined on it. What I'm going to do with this is make a small heavy-duty sheet metal brake. If I want to just bend up like 2-inch flat stock, this will bolt down to the bench, and it'll have an angle iron down here and then a bending edge, and it'll allow you to bend up to probably 120 degrees with this edge. So it's, I don't know, almost 1/2-inch thick. Probably is 1/2-inch, but this will make a great top plate for a small brake. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to build a small little brake out of this. And I also had these circles cut out with some bolt holes in them. These make good bases for, if you wanted to build something, wanted some kind of base, or I don't know. I'm sure these bolt holes are probably symmetrical, but I grabbed 3 of these. They're like 3/8 thick plate. But they'll be good for doing something. I'll throw those on the shelf. So you can check them out online. They just got their new website up. Put a link in the description. But these guys helped me out on this rocket car deal. Good guys to work with. Go check them out. If you're in the Western New York area and need steel, or Central New York and need steel, it's a great place to go. The surplus is anywhere from little pieces up to 10 foot. And then if you need prime stock cut, they have a whole selection of prime stock you can get cut down. The 18-gauge sheet metal, I picked up 5 sheets of that, was 4 foot by 5 foot. And they had a shear right there. I had, for the belly pan of this, it's got to be 24 inches. So I had them shear it right in half. So I won't have to do any cutting with that. But they got all kinds of sheet steel, stock, plate, round tubing, square tubing, channel iron, square, solid bar, round bar, all kinds of materials in there. Any piece of steel you want. Go check out the website. It's going to be in the description below. And I appreciate them helping out on the Thomas rocket car.